Oh, so even though I got my carburetor pretty much aligned to the motor, there's not too much of a gap here, and the gasket sits on pretty tightly. I missed the guide for the intake side, so you see this little square notch? This gasket should fit around it, but it's just to the left, so I gotta twist it back. Actually, I have to loosen the bracket first, so where's that thing? So screw it to the left a little bit to loosen the bracket, give it some free play, and then I'm gonna have to pull it up just a hair. That means I have to twist the entire intake box. And I'm twisting it clockwise. Oh, there it goes. Now I can retighten it. Gotta pull the bracket closer to me so I can reach it.